If you can't hear, this dryer is making about 1 clunk per rotation. Actually, it is making 1 clunk per rotation. The drum itself is out of route. And to show how bad this problem really is, just take a look at the measuring cup. Or this bottle of chair detergent. This is with a full load of clothes. You'd think that might help to ballast the thing down, but oddly enough that only succeeds in making sure that it shows up more. But you can also hear the noise and ruckus that it's making. But it's not so good. Once this load is finished, I'll show the inside of the drum. The most irritating factor about this is that as soon as you move further away from the thing, the dryer, you do not hear the sound of the dryer so much, but the clunk still carries. As I approach, you might hear it better. But as I back up further, the clunk still carries even into the opposing living room. So now I'm in the living room. Here's the inside of the drum. As you can tell, whenever it makes the clunk, a big deviation between the drum itself and the back panel shows at the bottom right corner. It actually passes through the whole frame on the bottom. Oh, and for you safety nuts who are telling me that a powerful gas burner needs tons of airflow and all that, it's currently set to airflow. Second, I'll insert a clip of the drum in slow motion just to see what that looks like. Before I could do slow motion, I found out I needed extra light. That'll be provided by this kind of podium light thing that I got from my school. Apparently they didn't need it anymore. Very impressive. At least you got to see what the 60 Hertz AC power flicker looks like at a slow motion speed, but other than that it wasn't really worth anything. I want to thank you for watching. You may or may not see a bit of a solution I have for this, and when you think solution, don't actually think I'm going to be fixing this thing. It'll require a completely new drum.